Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are discussing how you can fix your slow download speeds on Telegram. This is going to be quick and easy. Stay tuned. Alright, so here on this website, as you can see here, we have 10 legitimate ways you can go ahead and speed up the download speed on your Telegram. First things first, the first way you can do this is by closing your unused background apps, as they take a lot of storage and RAM on your phone. Secondly, what you can do is you can update your Telegram. Make sure you have the latest version and make sure you have the proper updated and latest version. And third way is not exactly reliable, but by getting Telegram Premium, you would have faster download speeds. And the fourth way you can do this is by uninstalling and reinstalling the Telegram app, as this essentially reboots the entire app and may speed up your download speed. Go ahead and try the rest of the ways, but these first 5 ways are the most useful in my opinion. Also, you can reset your network settings and you can go ahead and switch your DNS server, as this may be the cause of your slow download speed. The exact reason for slow Telegram download speeds could be either jammed up servers or misconfigured network servers. So go ahead and try these options out and I'm sure you'll be able to resolve it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.